we celebrate the birth anniversary of the greatest person of all times, Mahatma Gandhi ji. I now would like to call Ashna Di from 12th standard.
Greetings to every gathered here on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. I am Ashna Qureshi from class 12 science. Highly welcome you to celebrate this momentous day along with us. On 2nd October every year, India celebrates a national holiday in remembrance and honor of the birthday of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi as Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is known as the International Day for Non-Violence and Peace across the nation. Gandhi ji was a faithful supporter of non-violence, truth and peace. Today the whole world is the follower of the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi, which gave value not only to India but also the world. The world follows his techniques and his ideology of non-violence and ahimsa. Still don't fail to impact the life of people. Gandhiji's truthfulness inspire us the most. He was human like us, but he tried to overcome his weakness and succeed in it. Liberty the country was his true desire and not for any other motive or self-interest. He was an intelligent and turned negative things to positive. I am inspired by this sense of sacrifices. I felt to make use of the God-given talented. God will not forgive me and I shall be judged unworthy of the great gift. Thank you.
Thank you, dear Ashnadi. The Hindi poem, which our parents are well familiar with, is going to be presented by Mishka Soni from 4th standard.
नमस्कार, मैं मिश्का सोनी कक्षा चौथी की छात्र आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ जो है श्री महात्मा गांधी के ऊपर। माँ खादी की चादर दे दे मैं गांधी बन जाऊंगा, माँ खादी का कुर्ता दे दे मैं गांधी बन जाऊंगा। सभी मित्रों के बीच बैठकर रघुपति राघव गाऊं, नेकर नहीं धोती पहनूंगा, खादी की चादर ओढ़ूंगा। घड़ी कमर में लटकाऊंगा, सैर सवेरे कर जाऊंगा। मैं बकरी का दूध पीऊंगा, जूता अपने आप सियूंगा। आज्ञा तेरी मैं मानूंगा, सेवा का प्रण मैं ठानूंगा। मुझे रुई की पूरी दे दे, चरखा खूब चलाऊंगा। माँ खादी की चादर दे दे मैं गांधी बन जाऊंगा। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, dear Mishka. I would like to call Rajat Waghe, who present the lessons of Gandhiji with costume.
Hello everyone. I Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. I believe in truth, non-violence, persist. I believe in truth, non-violence, persist. I love India and I love Bikram Bapuji. रघुपति राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। जब आपका सामना किसी विरोधी से हो तो उसे प्रेम से जीते, अहिंसा से जीते। खुद को खोजने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका है कि आप खुद को दूसरे सेवा में हीन कर ले। जय हिंद। थैंक यू।
Thank you, dear dear Rajat. Now for English poem, I would like to call Avishka Pathak from class 2nd.
And I am Anushka Pathak from class 2nd section A. Happy Gandhi Jayanti to all of you. Gandhi Ji, Mahatma Gandhi. Bapu Ji, the father of nation. Gandhi Ji, Mahatma Gandhi. Bapu Ji, the father of nation. And he fought for our freedom. He was a great leader. He fought for our freedom. He was a great leader. He was a wonderful teacher. He was a role model. He was a wonderful teacher. He was a role model. Gandhi Ji, Mahatma Gandhi. Bapu Ji, the father of nation. Gandhi Ji, Mahatma Gandhi. Bapu Ji, I love you, Bapu. Thank you.
Thank you, dear Avishka.
I am joined by Tara Machek, Akshat Chaudhary and Divya Mantri from class 8 to performing a skit.
Hello Akshat, how are you?
I am fine. Tell me about you.
Me too fine, but getting bored. Would you want to come at my home? We will play and fun game.
No dear, exams are going on, so my mom won't allow me.
Oh, tell her that you are going for studies.
No, I can't tell lie. Lying is a sin. Do you forget what teacher taught us that day about Mahatma Gandhi? That we should never lie.
But tomorrow is 2nd October. We have Gandhi Jayanti, a day when we have holiday, so we can spare our holiday and in games and fun. Let's play today.
Yes, but tomorrow I have to clean my room.
What? You clean? But why? When your mother is there to do all these things.
No, we should do our work and help keeping our surroundings clean. You just reminded me about the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi. So let's make some effort and follow them.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
You go and play outside. Let me clean your room.
No, Mom, I will clean it myself.
Really? Am I dreaming?
No, Mom, now I learned that we have to keep our surrounding clean.
I am happy to see this change in you. Now get ready. We will go out for shopping.
Mom, my exams are there, so I will study.
What? What you told them? Not exams were there.
Sorry, Mom, I tell lies, but now I will never tell lies.
It's good. God bless you, my child.
Thank you, Mom.
Hello dear.
Oh, Akshat, you are here?
Yes, you told me that you are getting bored. So I have an idea. Let's go to market and teach our fellow citizens about cleanliness and the bad effects of dirty surroundings. Don't you know dengue, malaria causes are rising due to dirty surroundings?
Oh, nice idea for celebrating Gandhi Jayanti.
Happy Gandhi Jayanti! Thank you, Teacher Sandeep, for this beautiful skit.
I now take you to display of board. Please see and enjoy the drawing and artifacts.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः.
महात्मा गांधी जी के पिताजी का नाम करमचंद गांधी था। उनका रियल नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी था। उनकी माता का नाम पुतलीबाई था। उनका जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 में हुआ था। थैंक यू.
Good morning to all. Myself Akansha Rijwar and I am studying in class 6th A. My drawing topic is Ek Kadam Swachhata Ki Aur. Gandhi plays an important role in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. It is launched on 2nd October 2014 in the order to honor Mahatma Gandhi's vision of clear India. His mission is not only to clean the India but the whole world. My drawing is showing the biggest hope to change the India against unhygiene, to remove all the dirt from our country. Thank you.
Good morning, Father Principal, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Muhammad Adnan Mansoori from class 6th A. I have participated in the drawing competition. My topic is Mahatma Gandhi. So this is my drawing. So this is Google sees Mahatma Gandhi, which indicates Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. We should clean surrounding clean. We should keep our surrounding clean. This is our India's map. In this map, Gandhiji looks very happy by seeing the national flag hosted at the top of the red fort in the chair. It means that Mahatma Gandhi is very happy to make India independent has came true. These monkeys are actually the 3 principles of Gandhiji. First one is don't say bad. Second one is don't see bad. And third one is listen bad. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Samina Merchant from class 6A. My class teacher name is Antim Balamandloy. Today I made this picture on occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. I want to give you a message. Was Gandhiji said, you must be the change you wish to see in the world. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Sania Mansoori from class 11th Science. So this is my painting. An attempt has been made to depict everything related to Gandhiji in this painting. All the principles of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, are seen in this painting. The entire life cycle can be easily understood from this painting. I hope you like my painting. Thank you.
Good morning, Father Principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Bosa Mansuri from class 11 Science. I have participated in drawing competition and the topic of my drawing is Mahatma Gandhi. So, this is my drawing. I have drawn 4 parts in my drawing. So, the first part of my drawing is about Mahatma Gandhi. I have written a beautiful poem on Mahatma Gandhi. So, the poem is He led the freedom fleet, Gandhi was his name. No violence and no gun, but good is of well done. He walked the several miles to awaken the stressed smiles. The second part of my drawing indicates the dream of Mahatma Gandhi which was come true by the struggle of many Indians and our freedom fighters including Gandhiji. Our India became independent on 15th August 1945. So the third topic of my drawing indicates the sadness of Gandhiji. Gandhiji is said to see those girls who are exploited by many predators, who are exploited by many predators, and not our girls of our country is not safe nowadays. Gandhi is very sad to see those girls because he says that he has become India independent for all the citizens of our country, including those girls. But nowadays, our girls are not safe. The fourth topic of my drawing indicates the campaigns which was given by Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi has given a slogan, गांधी जी का था यह सपना स्वच्छ भारत हो अपना. It means Mahatma Gandhi wants the neat and cleanliness of our country, but as well as the cleanliness of the human heart. So we should keep our surroundings neat and clean. Thank you and stay.
Good morning, everyone. I, Jitendra Singh Gehlot, Supervisor, Middle and High School Section. I stand here for vote of thanks for Gandhi Jayanti program. I thanks to teacher Pandey. She arranged the student from 8th standard Akshay Gehlot and Rudrakshi Chandel for anchoring the entire program. I thanks to class teacher Shivani Kushwaha. She arranged the student Aviskar Rathod, standard 2nd. I thank to teacher Monica Rathod. She arranged the student Miska Soni for Hindi poem. I thanks to 12th Science Standard student Miss Asna Qureshi. She given a speech very nicely. I thanks to middle and high school section student. They participated in drawing competition. I thanks to the student, those who are involved in the program Best Out of the West. I thanks to the student with the class teacher, teacher Smita. KG section, they arrange the fancy dress program. I thanks to our tech team, Miss Deepali Somani and Miss Nafisa Motorwala. They create this program. I especially thanks to our principal Father Charlene. He did the hard work and providing everything to the students as well as the teachers. Again, I thanks to all the persons, those who are involved in this program to get the success. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, dear teachers and viewers, for watching this video. Thank you so much.